Hey, have you ever considered using animated series to boost your skills?
Really? How can watching cartoons help with skill development?
Well, animated series aren't just for entertainment. They can be a valuable tool for learning if you approach them the right way. Watching animated series can significantly boost your speaking skills in several ways. First, it exposes you to natural, conversational English, helping you become more familiar with colloquial expressions, slang, and different accents. This exposure can improve your listening skills, which are essential for effective communication. Second, animated series often feature diverse characters in various settings and situations, providing a rich context for learning new vocabulary and phrases. This exposure can help you expand your vocabulary and improve your ability to express yourself more creatively. Third, watching animated series can help improve your pronunciation and intonation. By listening to how native speakers pronounce words and phrases, you can mimic their speech patterns and improve your own pronunciation over time. Fourth, animated series can be a fun and engaging way to practice speaking. You can repeat lines from your favorite characters, imitate their voices, and even act out scenes. This practice can help build your confidence in speaking English and make the learning process more enjoyable. Fifth, animated series often have engaging storylines and compelling characters, which can captivate your interest and keep you motivated to continue watching and learning. This sustained engagement can lead to longer and more focused exposure to English, which is key to improving your language skills. Lastly, many animated series include subtitles, allowing you to read along while you listen. This can help reinforce the connection between written and spoken English, improving your reading comprehension and overall language proficiency. In conclusion, animated series offer a valuable and enjoyable way to enhance your speaking skills in English. By regularly watching and engaging with these shows, you can improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, listening comprehension, and overall confidence in speaking the language.
Interesting. Can you give me some tips on how to do that?
Of course. First, you need to choose the right animated series. Look for shows that align with the skills you want to develop. Once you've chosen a series, practice active listening and take notes on key points. This will help you retain information better. Try to apply the lessons from the series in your daily life. For example, if you're watching a series about leadership, practice those skills at work or in your community. Set a schedule for watching the series and stick to it. Consistency is key to developing any skill.
Are there any interactive resources I can use to enhance my learning?
Yes. Look for online quizzes, forums, or study groups related to the series. These can help reinforce your learning.
What about feedback? How can I use that to improve?
Seek feedback from others who are also watching the series. This can give you new perspectives and ideas for improvement.
What are the benefits of enhancing my skills through animated series?
By improving your skills, you'll not only become better at what you do, but also inspire others around you to do the same.
That's amazing. Thanks for sharing these tips with me.
You're welcome. Now, go ahead and start your journey to skill enhancement through animated series. And please, if you like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Lingo Academy.